Donald Trump's most significant decisions in his second term. In this video, we are breaking down the most significant decisions made by Donald Trump during his second term as President of the United States. His leadership style and policy choices have continued to shape both domestic and global politics in major ways. From immigration and the economy to foreign policy and institutional reforms, let's take a closer look at the key moves that defined his second tenure. Section 1. One of the most consistent themes of Trump's leadership has been his tough stance on immigration. In his second term, he doubled down on stricter border enforcement. This included expanding border wall construction, increasing funding for border security agencies, and implementing tighter asylum policies. His administration also introduced new regulations to limit illegal immigration and reform the visa system, prioritizing skilled workers. Supporters argue that these measures strengthened national security and protected American jobs. Critics, however, raised concerns about humanitarian impacts and the treatment of migrants. Section 2. Trump's economic decisions in his second term focused heavily on maintaining growth and reinforcing America First policies. He pushed for further tax reductions, particularly aimed at businesses, to stimulate investment and job creation. Additionally, he continued efforts to bring manufacturing back to the United States. Trade policies remained aggressive, with tariffs used as a tool to negotiate better deals. While some industries benefited, others faced challenger global tensions. Inflation control and energy independence were also major priorities. The administration supported domestic oil and gas production, aiming to reduce reliance on foreign energy sources. Section 3. On the global stage, Trump's second term was marked by a continuation of his unconventional diplomatic style. He emphasized bilateral agreements over multilateral alliances, often prioritizing direct negotiations with individual countries. Relations with major powers like China remained tense, especially in areas of trade and technology. At the same time, Trump sought to strengthen ties with certain allies while urging them to contribute more to defense spending. His administration also focused on reducing US involvement in prolonged foreign conflicts, aiming to bring troops home while maintaining a strategic influence. This approach was praised by some as reducing unnecessary military engagement, while others questioned its long-term impact on global stability. Section 4. Another major areas of focus was reshaping the judiciary and federal institutions. Trump continued appointing conservative judges to federal courts, aiming to influence the legal landscape for decades. He also pushed for reforms in federal agencies, arguing that they needed to be more efficient and less bureaucratic. These changes were seen by supporters as necessary modernization, while critics viewed them as attempts to consolidate executive power. Section 5. Trump's second term also included decisions that impacted social and cultural issues. Policies related to education, free speech, and media regulation were often framed around protecting traditional values and reducing government overreach. Debates around these policies were intense, reflecting deep divisions with American society. While some appropriated the focus on national identity and cultural preservation, others urged that these policies increased polarization. Section 2. Technology became a key battleground during Trump's second term. His administration took steps to regulate major tech companies, citing concerns over censorship, data privacy, and national security. There was also a strong push to limit foreign influence in critical technology sectors, particularly involving telecommunications and digital infrastructure. Cybersecurity initiatives were expanded to protect against increasing global threats. These decisions highlighted the growing importance of technology in national security and economic competitiveness. Conclusion. Donald Trump's second term has been defined by bold, often controversial decisions that reflected his core political philosophy. His focus on national sovereignty, economic protectionism, and institutional change has left a lasting impact on the United States and the world. Whether viewed as decisive leadership or polarization governance, his actions continue to shape political debates and policy directions. As history unfolds, the long-term effects of these decisions will become even clearer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth political analysis.